Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete or uninstall an app on PC. So here I'm using a Windows 11 PC, and if you want to delete an app, you can follow my steps in here. First, what you need to do is go to the settings. So just click on the start and go to settings. And then you can just tap on the apps on the left panel in here and go to the install apps. You can uninstall and manage apps on your PC in here. Click on it. Then these are the list of apps on my computer. You can now just find the app that you want to delete. For example, let's try to delete this one. You can click on this three dots icon. Now we can just tap on uninstall. Tap on uninstall again. Tap on yes. Just wait for a while. Click on uninstall again. Click on next. So this is it depends on the app. You can just okay. So now it's uninstalling. So when you go back to the app list, okay, so now the apps has been removed and deleted. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.